The Renesas Quick-Connect IoT platform provides standard hardware and software building blocks that enable fast prototyping of new IoT systems. Developers can use Quick-Connect IoT with one of several MCU evaluation kits, starter kits, or target boards to match the performance, power consumption, and memory footprint to the target application. Developers can easily add a variety of sensor and connectivity modules via PMOD connectors using the new PMOD Type 6A interface, with support for cascading PMOD modules for the greatest flexibility. Pre-built software libraries seamlessly connect the modules to the MCU and allow developers to quickly start gathering and sending data to the cloud instead of testing and debugging basic driver functionality. The Quick-Connect IoT platform also makes it easy to move between MCU families, solving the portability issues that commonly delay IoT designs.